How to use VLOOKUP in Excel. This tutorial shows you a quick way to pull matching data from another table using a lookup value. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. From there, click on the cell where you want your looked up result to appear. After that, type an equal sign, then VLOOKUP, followed by an open parenthesis. At this point, click on the cell holding the value you're searching for. Following this, type a comma, then select the full range of your reference table, making sure the column with your search value is the leftmost column in that selection. From here, type another comma, then enter the column number in that range that holds the value you actually want returned. At this stage, type a final comma, then type false to ensure Excel finds an exact match, rather than a close guess. Following this, close the parenthesis and press enter. Once entered, that cell instantly displays the correct matching value pulled straight from your other table. That's how you use VLOOKUP in Excel. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!